make your own chip challenge. We have Lay's chips, and thank you, and we're gonna be putting any seasoning on them we want. So we have all our seasonings here, and we're gonna start. So Lay's chips. Stay tuned. I have everything bagel seasoning, lemon pepper, and chili powder. Ooh.
Honestly, that's not bad. 7 out of 10. So, I got Old Bay, salt. Eat. Out of 10? Nice.
Oh, chewing. Not as bad as your last chip that you did the other challenge. 5 out of 10. On to the next round.
Okay, so my chip, I got ranch seasoning, lemon seasoning, and salt. Yummy, yummy. That's what you get for trying to put garlic powder on my chip. Ugh. Ugh, that's disgusting. Oh, my turn.
Everything bagel seasoning, ranch seasoning, lemon pepper, and garlic.
I'm honestly kind of scared.
Oh yeah, I rated yours a 0.